Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you will search about the application of Crunchyroll and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and think of your